Hola amigos, it's Adam, travel advisor, Oshawa Travel. In this video, we're going to look at the RIU Palace Las Americas, room 758. There are eight floors to this hotel. We actually got a room upgrade. I'll show you at the end of the video the first room we got, which was on the first floor. So we go into this room here. Each room is equipped with a mini fridge that does have a freezer portion, bottled water that is refreshed every day, alcoholic beverages in the room. The water is not safe to drink. There's a sign on the mirror in the bathroom. The shower, very nice pressure, double vanity. The beds were super comfortable, didn't have any issue there. The room itself wasn't too damp. I know a lot of people bring the damp rid to kind of get rid of the humidity. In this room, didn't have any issue. I'm just gonna show you now the power outlets. That was an issue for us. Bring a power strip. There's only 4 outlets here, and in the first room we had was only 3. So when you count like multiple phones, watches, iPads, 3 or 4 is not gonna cut it. So here's the view. This is a partial ocean view, so you can see the main street there of Cancun, the hotel beside it, and then you got the view there. So the first room we got was on the first floor, so I just want to quickly show you the view here. When we checked in, I gave the person at the desk a $20 bill, and she changed us the very next day. So this is the terrible view we got the first day, so it's definitely worth to tip the service people at the front, and you're gonna get an amazing view. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more travel content.